Today we'll understand the experiment number 6, that is two-way and three-way control of lamp. So coming to the aim of the experiment, here we are going to understand how to control a lamp from 2 points by using two-way switches, and how to control the lamp from 3 points by using two-way switches and an intermediate switch. So what are the components required? Two-way and three-way control of lamp model is already built, and that we are going to use the ready model for checking the two-way and three-way control of lamp. So what is the purpose or what is the importance of this experiment? So in domestic wiring, so the various appliances and lamps are connected in parallel, but for various advantages. So the various combination of switches and lamps we have to use. So such combination is called as wiring systems and schemes. So the different wiring schemes are given below. First one is control of lamp by one switch, and the second one is two-way control of lamp. Third one is three-way control of lamp. So these are the three methods which we can use, okay, to control a single lamp from different switches. But that is by one switch, that is by two switches, and as well as three switches. Now, what is one-way control of lamp? So, for a lamp, one live and one neutral wire is necessary, okay, to in order to supply the power. So, to control the supply to the lamp, switch is introduced in the live wire, and the neutral is directly connected to the lamp, so that we can observe here. So, for a lamp, one live and neutral wire is required. To control the supply to the lamp, switch is introduced in the live wire, okay, and neutral is directly connected to the lamp. So that is what we can see in the circuit diagram. So next method, we have two-way control of lamp. So before we go to two-way control of lamp, here, so as you can see here, for one-way control of lamp, so this is L indicates the live wire and N indicates the neutral wire. Always L is nothing but the phase wire, and through the phase wire the current will always flow, okay, and from the neutral wire it is going to back to supply. So this is what is called as one-way control of lamp. Okay, so when you close the switch, okay, when we close these two contact points, these 2 points will come in contact with each other, and the current flows through the bulb and again from the neutral back to the supply. So when the switch is open, the current does not flow through the bulb. Okay, so next we have three-way control of two-way control of lamp. So the lamp circuits used for areas such as long corridors, halls, okay, uh, big staircase. It is necessary to control the lamp circuit from 2 points. So in such cases, okay, so two-way control of lamp is used for wiring. Next we have three-way control of lamp. So in three-way control of lamp for the areas like big godowns or workshops, so it may be necessary to control lamp from 3 points. So in such cases also the circuit requires two switches and an intermediate switch to control the lamp. Okay, so now coming to the construction of two-way switch. So two-way switches are also called as SPDT or single pole double throw switches. So what do you mean by single pole double throw switch? So these switches are actually having, okay, a single pole, but you can throw it on two-way. So this is a common, okay, and this is a traveler, and this is the ground we are having. So these are the two contacts, okay, and here we can connect it like this. So this is the circuit diagram for two-way control of lamp. Here we are using a single phase 230 volt AC supply, and current flows through the fuses. So when the current flows through the fuses, so fuse will carry the current during normal condition, but during abnormal condition fuse will blow. Okay, so the fuse is provided in order to carry the normal current only, and we are having two switches A and B. Okay, so current flows through the switch A as well as switch B and through the lamp back to the supply. So both the switches are having two positions, 1 2, 1 dash and 2 dash. Okay, so what we can observe here is when both the switches A and B are in the same position, that is 1 and 1 dash, so lamp is on. Again, when both the switches are same position, 2 and 2 dash, lamp is on. But when both the switches are in opposite position, so switch A is in first position and switch B is in 2 dash. Similarly, switch A in 2 position and switch B is in 1 dash. So when both the switches are in opposite positions, so we can observe that the lamp will be off. Okay, so this is called as a switching table with a different position of switches to observe the lamp condition. So when switch A is in 1 and switch B is in 1 dash, so current flows through this phase wire, okay, through the switch A, again through the switch B, again through the lamp, again back to the supply. Okay, so that we can observe. But when switch B is in 2 dash, so current which enters through the phase A, okay, switch A, so from the position 1, again it will flow to the switch B. Again when it comes near switch B, it is connected to 2, okay, 2 dash, so it is open circuited. So since it is open circuited, there is no current which is flowing through the lamp. Okay, again when switch A is in position 2 and switch B is in 1 dash, so current flows through the switch A through the contact 2. Again when it comes to switch B, 2 dash is not connected. Okay, so switch B is connected to 1 dash and it is in open circuit position and lamp will be off. So but when both the switches A and B are in 2 dash position, so current flowing through the switch A will flow through the contact 2. Again when it comes near B, B is also connected to 2 dash. Again through the B also the current will flow again through the lamp back to the supply. So here when we get a continuous path for the flow of current, okay, so the lamp will be on. Okay, but when it is not there, so when we don't get a continuous path for the flow of current, so the lamp will be off. So that we can observe in two-way control of lamp. So this is actually the connections which we can observe in two-way switches. So these are the two-way switches which are provided. Okay, so two-way switches which are provided here. So to this red line will indicate the phase wire and black line will indicate the neutral. Always the lamp is connected through uh, the phase wire and other end of the connection is connected to the neutral wire. So current which flows through the phase terminal, so from the P terminal which enters here, okay, to the switch 1, but switch 1 it is connected to the other contact. Okay, so it is open circuited, so there is no current which is flowing here. So since it is open circuited, again this red wire is not connected, so again the phase current will not come. Okay, so this is lamp will be in off condition. Okay, but when the current comes through the phase P, okay, but in switch 1, instead of connecting to this position, if we connect it here, so the current will flow through this switch. Again when it comes to the another switch, it will be connected to the blue point, so again it gets a continuous path, so there will be lamp will be on. Okay, but again when switch A is in position 2, so the current which enters here will be flowing through this wire. Okay, current which enters here will be flowing through this switch, again through this switch, again through the lamp and through the neutral back to the supply. So this is what is the path for the flow of current. Okay, so current from the phase wire will flow through the switch 1. Okay, again when it comes to the switch 2, here it is connected to this point, again through the phase wire, again through the bulb. Okay, the bulb will be on because we got a continuous path from the current, and through the neutral back to the supply. Okay, so this when both the switches are in same position, okay, so the lamp will be on. But when both the switches are in opposite position, lamp will be off. Okay, so that is what we can observe here, right, from the two-way control of lamp. Now coming to the procedure for conduction. So connections are made as per the circuit diagram. Switch on the power supply. For different switch position, note down the lamp condition. Okay, so switch off the power supply. So that's all. So next, if we go for three-way control of lamp, okay, so here we are having three switches A, B and an intermediate switch C. So and the lamp is connected. So current which flows through this DPST switch through the fuse. So switch A, Again, switch A is having 1 and 2 positions. Switch B is also having 1 dash 2 dash. And intermediate switch is having 2 positions 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 and 2 is straight connection. 1 and 4, 2 and 3 is cross connections. So the current which flows through the switch A through the contact 1, it will flow through the intermediate switch. Again 1 and 2 will be connected and through the switch B. So 1 dash will be there. So this is through this, and the lamp will glow and back to the power supply. Okay. So again, when the switch A is in position 2, current which enters here, again if these two are connected in straight way, so current flows here. Since switch B is also connected to 2 dash, it will flow here and the lamp will be on. So this is what is the what the connections of intermediate switches. So this we can understand with the help of the second diagram which is given for controlling a light from different places. So here you are having the two switches A and B, which are also called as SBTT or two-way switches, single pole double throw switches. So this is switch S1, this is switch S2. Okay, S1 and S2 both are called as two-way switches, or we can also call it as SPDT, single pole double throw switch. And this switch is intermediate switch C, and it is having four contacts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this the connection is called as cross connection, and this connection is called as a straight connection. So the current when it comes here through the red wire, it will flow here. So again when it comes near the switch 2, it is open, so that is an open position. Again the lamp will glow and back to the neutral. Okay, so this is called as three-way control of lamp. Again from the phase where the current which comes here, okay, so here it will flow here. Okay, so if it is connected to contact 2 also here, so here it will flow like this, and the current flows through the lamp and through the neutral back to the supply. So if we are getting a continuous path for the flow of current, okay, so then the bulb will be on. If you don't get a continuous path for the flow of current, then the lamp will be off. So in order to understand all these positions, let us observe the truth table. So if you observe this switching table, so we have a different method of writing this switch table. So first, for the switch A, we can take 4 positions as 1. Okay, so that is switch A will be in position 1. Okay, and now if you take switch A, again next 4 positions you take it as to be at position number 2. So switch A is in position 1 and switch A is in position 2. So we can write 4 times 1 and 4 times 2. Okay, next for the switch B, we can write a switch B will be in 1 dash position for 2 times, again in 2 dash position for the next time, again 1 dash position for 2 times, and 2 dash position for the next 2 times. So we can write 2 times 1 dash, 2 times 2 dash, 2 times 1 dash, 2 times 2 dash. So this is what is the method of representing the position of switch B. Okay, switch A will be 4 times 1 and 4 times 2. Okay, so and switch B will be alternatively 1 dash 1 dash 2 times 2 dash 2 times 1 dash 2 times. Okay, and again 2 dash 2 times. So this is the method of representing the positions of switches A and B. Okay, next coming to the switch C, here first it will be straight connection 1 and 2 3 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 straight connection means what? So both the switches are connected to the contacts 1 2 3 4. So here it is connected, this it is called as cross connection. So in straight connection means these two contacts will be connected. Okay, so these two contacts will be connected, again these two will be connected. So this is position 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 4 will be joined. So this is called as uh, straight connection. Next is alternate position 1 4 2 3. So 1 4 2 3 is a cross connection. So if it is cross connection means we can show here. So 1 4 2 3. Okay, so 1 2 4 2 2 3 can be connected here, 1 4 2 3. So this is straight connection 1 2 3 4. Cross connection is 1 4 2 3. 1 2 3 4 1 4 2 3. So this is how we can connect 1 4 2 3. Okay, so this is what is called as cross connection or intermediate switch. Switch S1 and S2 are DPDT, SPDT switches, and this is called as an intermediate switch. So for the showing intermediate switch. So this is 1 2 3 4 straight connection, 1 4 2 3 cross connection, straight connection, cross connection, straight, cross. So alternatively we can write this for all the 8 conditions. So by writing the switch positions like this, we can determine the on or off condition of the lamp from the circuit. So this is what is the method of indicating the position of switches. So here we have to verify the 8 conditions. Okay, for 8 conditions of switches. So switch A 4 times 1, 4 times 2. Switch B 1 dash 1 dash 2 times, 2 dash 2 times, 1 dash 2 times, 2 dash 2 times. Okay. So next switch C is straight 1 2 3 4 1 4 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 4 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 4 2 3, like that. Alternatively you can write. So based on all these positions, we have to track the position of switches, okay, from the circuit, and you can decide whether the lamp is on or off. Okay. So now first let us verify the first condition. So switch A is in position 1, switch B is in position 2, and switch C is in 1 2 3 4. So if you observe that 1 dash and 1 2 3 4 lamp condition is on. So let us check that. Okay. So if you come here for the circuit, so switch A is in position 1. So current flow from the fuse wire, it will enter here. So it will flow through the switch A. It is in one position. Again through the intermediate switch, 1 and 2 are connected. So from the switch A, 1 is connected, 1 and 2 is connected. And if we come to the switch B, okay, again here also 1 dash is connected. So current flows here again through the lamp back to the through the neutral wire back to the supply. See, from the phase wire, current it which enters here will flow from 1 2 are connected. So here the cross connection is short, but for first condition it is 1 and 2. From 1 to again through this switch 1 dash is connected again here. So the bulb will be on. Okay, so this is position 1. So the lamp condition is on for the first condition of the truth table. So now second position is switch A is in 1, switch B is in 1 dash, and intermediate switch is in 1 4 2 3. Okay, so when intermediate switch is in 1 4 2 3, so switch A is in position 1, switch B is also 1 dash 1 4 2 3. So that in order to observe that, okay, here we can see that switch A is in position 1. So current which enters, okay, so current which enters through the switch 1, it will flow here. It is cross connected, means here it will come. Again if we come to the switch 2, it is open, so there is no path for the flow of current. So again the bulb will not be glowing, or it is off. So that means, so when it comes to switch A, it flows through the switch A position 1. Again it flows from 1 to 4. Okay, again when it comes to switch B, here it is not connected to 2 dash, it will be connected to 1 dash only. So it is open, so there is no path for the flow of current. Again the lamp is off. Okay, lamp is off. So this is called as second condition, or the lamp will be off. Okay, coming to the third position, so switch A is in 1 dash 1, switch B is in 2 dash, and again switch C is straight connection. 1 2 3 4 is straight connection, 1 2 dash and 1 2 3 4. So switch A is in position 1. Okay, so current it enters here. So again straight connection, so 1 to 2 the current flows, so we'll get a path. So these contact, instead of connecting like this in cross connection, we'll connect it in a straight way. So from 1 current enters, it will flow to from contact 1 to 2 in the intermediate switch. Again if you come to the position of switch B is in 2 dash. Okay, again here it is open, so switch B contact is connected to the lower contact, so it is open ala. So lamp will be off. Okay, so lamp will be off for the third condition. Now if you come to switch a fourth condition, so switch A is in 1, switch B is in 2 dash 1 4 2 3. Okay, so 1 2 dash 1 4 2 3. So switch A is in position 1. Okay, switch intermediate switch is in 1 4 2 3. So current which enters here, it will flow through the switch A through the contact 1. Again when it comes to the intermediate switch, it will flow from 1 to 4 or 2 to 3. From 1 to 4 the current comes here. Again when switch B is in 2 dash, so it enters here and 2 dash is connected, and the lamp will be on. Okay, lamp will be on. So this is called as fourth condition. Okay, 1423, 1 2 dash and 1423, lamp should be on. So in order to verify that, okay, so here current which end, so current comes here through the switch A. Okay, again from intermediate switch it is cross connected, current flows from 1 to 4. Again when it comes near switch B it is connected to 2 dash. Again here we are getting a continuous path. So again current flows through the lamp, again back to the neutral, so back to the supply. So this, thus we are getting a continuous path for the flow of current, so lamp will be on. Okay, so this is the method of determining the condition of the lamp by using the different position of switches. So for first four conditions we have verified the lamp condition based on the switch position. Similarly you can determine for the next four conditions of switches also. By using this we can find out the lamp condition. Okay, so this is the switching table of three-way control of lamp. Okay, now coming to the procedure of conduction of three-way control of lamp, same, that is the connections are made as per the circuit diagram. Switch on the power supply. So throw the intermediate switch to make straight connection, and throw intermediate switch for the cross connection, and tabulate the lap conditions. So switch off the power supply. So that's all. Okay. So alternatively you have to continuously go on changing the positions of switches A, B as well as intermediate switch. You have to make it straight as well as you have to make it cross and tabulate the lamp condition and switch off the power supply. So this is what is the procedure to conduct. So next we have some real-time examples or applications here. So what is two-way control of lamp? Okay, so two-way control of lamp, what are the applications of these two methods of controlling the lamp, that is two-way and three-way. So two-way control of lamp, it is used to control the electrical equipment and appliances from the 2 3 or even more different location by adding intermediate switch. So by adding an intermediate switch we can control the lamp which is present in different floors. Okay, so by using different switches. So it is also used in staircase wiring connection, where a light point can be controlled from two or more different places. So it is used in large area rooms having two or more entry and exit doors and all. So the main purpose of two-way switching is to control an AC or DC electrical appliance device or the equipment, especially lighting points from the two different places. So in order to understand the staircase wiring, so let us consider this two-way control of lamp method. So this is where it is applied. So staircase wiring. So here in this circuit diagram we can observe that. Okay, so this is door one. Okay, so from the supply point, okay, this is what is the um, from the meter board we are getting the supply to our house. So from this, all these red wire indicates phase, as well as black wire indicates the neutral. Okay, so the current which is coming through the phase wire, okay, will enter this first switch. Okay, so this is first switch A, we can take two-way switch. Again this is also switch B, one more two-way switch. So current through the phase wire comes to this two-way switch. So and again it may be connected to the first point or second contact. So when it is connected to the first contact, again current flows here through the red wire, again current which comes in the switch B, again it will flow through these contact. Okay, again through here, so the lamp will be on, and again through the neutral back to the supply. So now the lamp will glow. Okay, now if you are connecting by moving this switch, okay, by moving this switch on or off, or like moving this switch to the other position, so this contact will be connected to the lower point. Okay, so but both are phase wires only. So the current which flows through this phase wire, again when this contact is connected to this point, lower point, again current enters here, again the current flows through this second red wire. Again if we come to here, again if you throw this switch downwards, so this contact will be connected to this point. Again the current which enters here, again through the red or phase wire, it will flow through the lamp will be glown, and through the neutral back to the supply. Okay, so this is what is the positions of the switches. So if both the switches are in upper position or connected to the upper contact, current flows through the phase wire, through the red wire, and current again flows through this phase wire, and the lamp will be on. Again, if you connect this switch to the lower position, okay, again this switch also, if you keep it in the lower position, current flows through this both the switches, again through the phase wire, lamp will be on back to the supply. So when both the switches are in same position, this light is on. Okay, now let the switch A be in upper contact and switch B, let us move this contact to the lower point. So current which comes through this phase wire, red wire, so it will flow here. So it is connected to upper point only. So current flows through this first red wire. Okay, so current which comes up to here. Now this contact is connected to here, so there is that there will be no like, since you are having, okay, again the current flows through the lamp and it will be on. Okay, so this is how we can control, okay, a single lamp by using two switches. Okay, so in order to switch on this bulb, both the switches should be in the same position. If they are in opposite position, switch A is in upper point and switch B is connected to 2, 1 2, it is off, or switch B is in 2 and switch A is in 1 also, it is off. So this is what is the method of two-way control of lamp, which is used in staircase wiring. Okay. So in order to switch on a bulb which is present here in this floor, so from the ground switch also we can control. So if you are switching on this switch and the ground floor switch is also in on position, means lamp will be on. But if you close, if you switch off the switch which is present in the ground floor just behind this door, and but this switch is in on, lamp will become off. Okay, when both the switches are in on position only, the lamp will be on. Okay, so similarly, but in case of three-way control of lamp also, it is used in it is used in staircase wiring only, or here we are using an intermediate switch to control the lamp. So this is what is the first two-way switch, and this is what is another two-way switch, and here the lamp will be on back to the neutral. Okay, so here, so the current which comes in the two-way switch one, it will flow through this switch one, and to the upper contact, current will flow through the red wire, again through the intermediate switch, again it flows here. Okay, as the current enters the two-way switch, okay, so if it is connected to upper position or lower position, okay, so if it is connected to the upper position also, since both are red wires, so the current flows through the lamp and back to the supply neutral. Okay, and if you keep the switch A is in position 2 also, so again the current flows through these phase wire, again through this intermediate switch. Okay, so again through this second two-way switch which is connected through the lamp, it will glow, and again through the black wire it will be flowing back to the supply. Okay, so this is what is the method of uh, three switches which are used to control a single lamp which is present in the second floor. Okay, so what we can observe, this is the ground floor switch and this is the intermediate switch present in the first floor, and this is the one more switch which is present in the second floor, two-way switch, and the lamp will be present near to the switch. So based on the positions of all the three switches only, okay, so the lamp condition will be on or off. Okay, so if based on the intermediate switch, whether it is straight connected or cross connected, and whether we are getting a continuous path for the flow of current, so the lamp will be on or off, we can decide. So otherwise the lamp will not be switched on. Okay, so this is the different methods which we are using to control the single lamp. Okay.
So now we'll go to the next experiment. So two-way and three-way control of lamp. So we all know that a single lamp can be controlled by two different switches. So in two-way control of lamp, we are verifying that the single lamp can be switched on or off by using two different switches, that is switch A and switch B. Both the switches A and B are having two positions, 1 2, 1 and 2. So, and from the phase terminal of the, we are giving a single phase AC supply as input to the lamp here. So from the phase terminal, the current flows through the lamp and through the switches back to the neutral. So here we can observe that in this two-way control of lamp, when both the switches are in the same position. So if the switches A is in position 1 and switch B is also in position 1, then the current flows from P through the lamp, through the switch B first position, and through switch A, and again back to the neutral. So here in this path we observed that there is a continuous path for the flow of current, so the lamp will be on. So if the switch A is in position 1 and if switch B is in position 2, now the current flows through the phase wire, through the lamp, again through the switch B. So it comes to through the position 2 of switch B, again through this path. But when we come to switch A is in position 1. So this will be an open path for the flow of current across switch A, so the lamp is off. So similarly, when switch A is in position 2 and switch B in position 1 also, lamp will be off. But when switch A and B both are in position 2, lamp will be on. So from this, what we can say is, when both the switches A and B are in the same position, that is 1 1 or 2 2, the lamp will glow. But when the switches are in opposite position, switch A in 1, switch B in 2, or switch B in 1 and switch A in 2, the lamp remains off. So that we can verify from the truth table. So from the truth table, here we have written the different positions of the switches. So switch A is having position 1, switch B is also in position 1, 1 dash. Say, in order to differentiate, we are taking it as dash. So switch B in 1 dash. So both are in 1 dash position, lamp is on. When switch A is in position 1, switch B in 2 dash, again lamp will be off. But when switch A is in 2, switch B is in 1 dash, again off. When both switch A and B both are in the same position, again 2, lamp will be on. So let us verify this condition in the of two-way control of lamp. So we can observe here. So we have a ready model for checking the different positions of the switches. So here we have a different model for checking the positions of the switches. So we have the model for checking the two-way control of lamp by using both the switches S1 and S2 with the different positions. So let us observe that. Now, okay, so let me keep switch A, switch S1 in position 1 and switch B also in position 1. So in both the switches are, when both the switches are in the same position, so the lamp remains on. So here switch A in 1, switch B is also in 1, lamp is on. Now let us keep switch 1 in position 2 and switch B in position 1, then the lamp remains in the off position. And now we'll keep switch A in position 2 and switch B also in position 2, lamp remains off. And if we keep switch A in position 2 and switch B in position 1, again lamp remains off. So as I told you, so that when both the switches 1 and 2 are in 1 1 position, lamp is on. When both the switches are in 2 2 position, lamp is on. But when switch A is in 1 position and switch B in opposite position, lamp is off. And so here also, when it is in opposite position, the lamp remains off. So that the same thing what we verified in the truth table. So that conditions here we checked in the model, okay, by observing the positions of the switches for the. So this is all about two-way control of lamp. So now let us understand the second method of controlling the lamp, that is three-way control of lamp. For three-way control of lamp, here we can observe that a single lamp can be controlled by three different switches, switch A, switch B and an intermediate switch, that is switch C. So similar to two-way control of lamp, switch A and B are having the two positions only, that is 1 and 2, that is upper position and lower position. But whereas the intermediate switch C is having the four different positions, that is 1 2 3 4. for the 1 and 2 position of the intermediate switch C, it will be a straight connection, but for 1 4 2 3, so but that is for the cross connection, okay, the intermediate switch will be cross connected, so that is 1 4 2 3, but it can be straightly connected also, that is for 1 and 2 to be connected and 3 or 4 to be connected. For cross connection, 1 and 4 will be connected and 2 and 3 will be connected. So here, when will be the lamp on? So when switch A is in upper position, okay, and when intermediate switch, let us take it to be in straight connection. So that is the contacts 1 and 2 are in touching and 3 and 4 are in contact with each other. And switch B also, let us take it, keep it in the position 1 only. Now both switches A and B, we are taking it as to be in position 1, and the intermediate switch we are taking that it is in contact with 1 to 2 and 3 to 4. Now the current flows through the switch A through the upper position 1. Again in the intermediate switch, as it comes to contact 1, it flows to contact 2. Again through the switch B, again through the contact 1, again through the lamp, and the lamp will be on. Now again let us keep switch A in 2, switch B also in 2 position, that is both the switches are in lower position, and intermediate switch let us keep it to be in the straight connection only, that is contacts 1 2 and 3 and 4 are in contact with each other. Now the current flows through the switch A through the contact 2, again in the intermediate switch it flows from 3 to 4, again in the switch B it flows through the lower position 2 through the lamp and back to the supply. So this is what. Now let us keep switch A and switch B in position 1 only, okay, but if the intermediate switch, if it is in cross connected, then also if you find the current flows through the position 1, again through the intermediate switch 1, contact 1 1 to 4, again if we come at the switch B is again at position 1 only. So here we observe that there is an open connection, or open, the contact at switch B is open because switch B is touching the upper contact 1, so it is open now, so there is no continuous path for the flow of current, lamp will be off. So when we find a continuous path for the flow of current from switch A through the intermediate switch C through the intermediate through the switch B, then the lamp will be on. But if there is no continuous path for the flow of current from switch A to C, B and through the lamp, then the lamp will be off. So let us understand this by using the three-way control of lamp model. Okay, we have a ready model with all the switches connected, switch A, switch C and switch B, and also with a lamp connected here. So here we can observe that switch positions 1 and 2, switch A position 1 and 2, switch B position also 1 and 2, and for the intermediate switch C, straight connection as well as cross connection. Straight connection is nothing but 1 to 2, 3 to 4 are in contact with each other. For cross connection 1 to 4 and 2 and 3 will be in contact with each other. So let us understand this positions. So now by using the truth table, let us verify the connections. So now first condition, let us verify switch A is in position 1. So let us keep switch A in position 1, and intermediate switch is in the 1 to 2 and 3 to 4, that means it is straight connection. So 1 2 3 4 are connected, so that means 1 to 2 3 to 4 should be connected, means here we have written it as straight connection. For the straight connection, always move the intermediate switch C contact to the upper position. So this now switch C is in straight connected. Now again in truth table we can observe here switch B is in position 1 dash. So let us keep switch B now to the 1 dash position. So now what is the lamp condition? Lamp should be on. So lamp is on because there is a continuous path for the flow of current. Now let us verify second condition. So in the switch A is in position 1 and the switch B is also in position 1 dash only. So let us keep switch A and switch B in position 1 and 1 dash as it is. But if we come observe here, only switch C position is changed compared to the first case. So 1 to 4, 2 to 3 are connected. That is cross connection. So for cross connection, let us observe in the intermediate switch. So it is connected to the downward position. So 1 and 4 are connected, 2 and 3 are connected. So it is cross connected. So what is the condition of lamp? Lamp condition should be off. So here we can observe that in the model, lamp is off. Now again, if we come to the truth table, switch A is in position 1, again switch B is in position 2 dash. So let us keep switch A in position 1 and switch B in position 2 dash. And intermediate switches 1 to 2, 3 to 4. 1 to 2, 3 to 4 are connected. So it is a straight connection. So straight connection here, we can observe for straight connection, move the switch C to the upper position. So here from the truth table also you can observe here. So it should be off. So the lamp is off. Okay. So let us see the fourth case. So switch A is in position 1 and switch B is in position 2 dash. So switch A is in position 1 and switch B is in position 2 dash. And intermediate switch is connected to 1 to 4 and 2 to 3. That is cross connection. So 1 to 4 and 2 to 3 for cross connection, move the contact to lower position. So if we move the contact to lower position again, the lamp is on. So lamp is on. We can observe that. Next, now move switch A to position 2. Switch A to position 2. Again switch B to position 1 dash. So switch B to position 1 dash. Okay. And now cross connection. So for the intermediate switch it should be 1, 4, 2, 3. So that is, it should be cross connected only, and we can observe lamp is on. Okay. So again, if we keep both the switches in the position 2, 2 dash only, and the intermediate switch should be connected to in the straight connection 1, 2, 3, 4, then also the lamp is on. And again, if you keep both the switches in the same position 2 and 2 dash for the last case, but it is 1, 4, 2, 3, that is cross connection, lamp will be off. So all the different positions can be observed for three-way control of lamp. So here we have a method of writing the truth table, okay, for the three-way control of lamp. So how do we follow that method? What is the method of writing truth table is, for the switch A, let us take 4 positions as 1 and 4 positions as 2. Okay. For switch B, let us take alternatively 2 times 1 position, 2 times 2, 1, 2. So 1 position is 2 times, 2 position is 2 times. So alternately let us write 2 times the 1 and 2 positions for the switch B. So switch B for switch A, you write 4 times the same position 1, 4 times the same position 2. For switch B, you write 2 times the same position 1, 2 times the same position 2. Again 2 times 1 and 2 times 2. But for the intermediate switch C, we'll write alternatively the straight connection, cross connection, straight connection, cross connection. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3. For all the 8 cases, for all the 8 conditions, we can write it like that. So then, by looking into the circuit diagram and by using the switch positions, easily we can check the lamp condition whether it is on or off with the help of model, or also with the help of the circuit diagram. Okay, easily we can observe and easily we can determine the condition of lamp whether it is on or off by using those switch positions. If you find a continuous path or a continuous line up to the lamp, then the lamp will be off. But if you find there is any open point or if there is any open condition, then the lamp will be off. So this is the method of three-way control of